Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Ngok. Good evening. How are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Wait for a while. Let me change my background. I what happened to my face? I want to change it. I just blur it. Okay, so what did you do today, Ngok?
Mm, I go to school.
Oh, you went to school today. That's great. And what time did you get home? It closed na. Sorry.
Mm,
What time did you get home? You don't know. That's okay. Have you had your dinner, Ngok? Did you eat already?
yes.
Okay, that's great. So let's start our class. Are you ready? Okay, now please listen to teacher and eyes on the screen, okay? So Ngok, not yesterday, the other day, we learned about different activities that a camper usually do. So if you're a camper, these are the common things that you do when you are camping. So let's review the words before we proceed with our activity. Okay, Ngok, again, can you read number one? What is number one?
Glam.
Two,
Hike.
three.
Canoe.
I think it's canoe. Canoe.
Canoe.
Canoe.
Canoe.
Canoe. Wait for a while. Let's see. Canoe.
We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting but often English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Canoe, both
Canoe.
British and American.
Okay, that's right. Canoe.
Canoe.
Canoe. Okay, again, number three is
Canoe.
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 Okay, number four,
Fish.
five.
Grill hamburger.
Okay, and number six.
Wash boat.
Okay, watch birds. Okay, let me cover them all. Let's see if you still remember the words. Okay, again, number one.
Clam.
Okay, two,
Hike.
three,
Canoe.
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 Four,
Fish.
five,
Grill hamburger.
grill hamburgers.
Grill hamburgers.
Six.
Wash boat.
Okay, watch birds. Okay, wait for a while. Hey, wait. Why am I here?
Oh. Oh.
Okay,
Oh.
wait for a while.
Oh.
Where is it? Okay. Now let's continue, Ngok, and this time let's proceed with our activity. Okay. Activity B, you're going to find it. Okay, let's see if you still. I'm going to say the words and then you're going to circle it. Okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the word hmm, fish. Fish.
Um,
Fish. It's not the noun. Okay, very good. Next. Canoe. Canoe.
mm,
Okay, very good. Next.
Có tay đang lấy bút sách vở ra ghi vào. Phải chưa? Bút sách vở ra. Nhanh.
Okay, next. Grill hamburgers. Grill hamburgers. Okay, very good. Next, climb. 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 Okay. Next, watch birds. Watch birds. Ah, yeah. And the last one, what's the last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the last one, Ngok?
Hike.
Huh?
Hike.
Hike. Ah, oh, yeah. Hike. Okay, find it. Where is it? Aon Bisanta. The last one. Who is hiking? Which one? Who is hiking? Who is hiking? Okay, I think Julie is the one who's hiking in the picture. Okay, very good, Ngok. Let me check it. Okay, this is correct. Correct, 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 and correct. So for now, you've got 6/6. Ta-da! Okay, good job. Now let's proceed with our next activity. For our next activity, you're going to answer in a sentence. Okay, let's study this one first. So like for example, I'm gonna ask you Ngok. Like for example, what does he like doing? So you're going to answer me. He likes climbing. He likes fishing. She likes hiking. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make it a little bigger. Number 1. What does he like doing?
He like camping.
Climbing. Okay, he likes climbing. Can you say that again?
He like climbing.
Okay, number 2, next. What does he like doing?
He like hiking.
He likes, with S, huh? He likes hiking.
He likes hiking.
Okay, very good. 3, what does she likes do? What does she like doing?
She like
She
canoeing.
likes canoeing. Yes, canoeing. Okay, very good. Number 4, what does she like doing?
She likes fishing.
Okay, very good. She likes fishing. Okay, number 5. What does he like doing?
He likes grilling hamburger.
Okay, he likes grilling hamburgers. He likes grilling hamburgers. Okay, last number 6. What does he like doing?
He likes watching birds.
Okay, he likes watching birds. Very good. Okay, so in this activity, you've got 6/6 also. Good job. Okay, now let's have another one. Okay, for here, you're going to answer the question. Like for example, I will ask you, does he like climbing? You're going to answer either yes, he likes it a lot, or no, he doesn't like it at all. Okay? Okay? Okay, let's
Yeah.
start. Number 1. Does she like climbing?
Yeah. She likes it a lot.
Yes, she likes it a lot. Very good. That's for number 1. What about for number 2? Does she like hiking?
No, she don't like it at all.
I don't get it. No, she doesn't like it at all. Okay, very good. Next, number 3. Does he like canoeing?
No, he doesn't like it at all.
Doesn't like it at all. Okay, very good. Next, number 4. Does he like fishing?
Yes, he like it a lot.
Okay, yes, he likes it a lot. Very good. Number 5. Does she like watching birds?
Yeah, she like it a lot.
Yes, she likes it. She likes it a lot. Okay. And last, number 6. Does she like grilling hamburgers?
No, she doesn't like it at all.
Okay, she doesn't like it at all. Okay, very good, Ngok. Okay, for here, you've got another 6/6. Very good. Okay, now let's proceed with our another one. Okay, so that's it. What else should I say? We don't have to talk about this. Now let's proceed with sports. Okay, in this lesson, Ngok, we're going to talk about sports. So do you know what is sport? Do you know what sport means?
Thể thao.
Yes. Do you have sport, me? Do you have a sport? Do you play sport? I mean, Ngok, I'm sorry. Do you play sport, Ngok?
Mm,
Bạn có một môn thể thao không?
yeah.
Yes, what? What do you play?
I play badminton.
Badminton. Do you also join school competition?
Yes.
Wow. Did you win?
No.
Oh, it's okay. You're still young. You can still do more. You will get a lot better if you're still just keep practicing. What else aside from badminton? Do you play another do you play another sport or you just played badminton? No more, just badminton.
Yes.
What about basketball, volleyball, table tennis? No?
No.
Ah, okay, okay. So you play badminton. That's great. Okay, so let's talk about number one. Do you know what is number one?
Ski.
Ski. So you can only ski ngok if there is snow, right? Snow. Do you know
No.
snow?
Yes.
Okay. So if there is snow, if there isn't, if there is no snow, you cannot ski. Okay? Because
Yeah.
if you're going to ski, there should be snow. So you can do this. Yeah, ski, ski. Let's see some pictures of ski. Look at that. Oh, have you tried this, Ngok? Have you tried to ski before?
No.
No, you haven't. Oh, so this is how you ski. So there should be you can ski in the mountain. Wow, kita pagong mo. Oh. You can ski on the top of the mountain and not just that, there should be snow if you want to ski at the top of the mountain. So it will be easier for you to ski, ski, ski. Okay. Do you want to try this someday? Do you want to try skiing someday?
Yeah.
Oh, let's try it someday. Number two. What is number two?
Snowboard.
Okay, let's see some pictures of snowboard. I think for snowboard, for skiing, if you're going to ski, you will have to use this kind of thing. Okay? These are the things that, or these are the tools that you will have to use if you're going to ski. Now, while snowboarding, I think you will have to use a snowboard. This is what you're going to use if you're going to snowboard. Uh, so still, you cannot snowboarding if there is snow. That's why it is called snowboarding or snowboard because you will need to have snow. There should be snow in order for you to do snowboarding. So this is a snowboarding look like. It looks like you are skateboarding, right? But the difference is snowboarding, you can
Yeah.
snowboard in the snow. But for skateboarding, you can just do it even if there is snow, right? Skateboard.
Yeah.
This is skateboarding. For skateboarding, you can just do this even if there is no snow, right?
Yeah.
But for snowboarding, there should be snow. And aside from that, there's snowboard, there is no wheels. Unlike for the skateboard, oh look, there are wheels, right? You can see the wheels, right?
Yeah.
But for snowboard, there are no wheels. There is no wheels. Oh look, it's just plain snowboard. So that's the difference. Now, let's go to, wait, let me remove some of this. Okay. Let's go to number 3. What is number 3?
Ice skate.
For ice skate, you don't skate at the top of the mountain. No. Ice skating, you can ice skate only when there is ice rink. This is ice skating. You can skate on the ice rink. This is what we call the ice rink ngo. Or let's say
Yeah.
let's search the ice rink. Ice rink look like this. You can skate on this kind of place. Okay?
Yeah.
This is where you skate. You cannot snowboard here. No. You cannot. What's the other one? Ski. You can only skate here using the shoes that looks like this. Let's do that. And then ice rink, it should be plain. Plain ice rink. This is what we call the ice rink. Okay? This is ice skate. Now, let's proceed with number 4. What is number 4? Inline.
Inline skate.
Okay, inline skate. What is inline skate? I think this is just ice skating on, not ice skating. You're skating on the road. Inline skating. This is inline skating. Looks like. So there is snow, right? You cannot see snow. Just they can do this on the road, on some other places as long as it's plain. There's no rocks. Look at that. Most of them do this on the road. In the street. So this is inline skate. These are the shoes that you're going to use. So you can inline skate even if there is snow. There is no snow. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is what we call an inline skate. Now, let's go back to number 5. We talked about this already. What is that?
Skateboard.
Okay, so snowboard, you're going to use board, something like a board, snowboard, and then you can do it when there is snow. But for skateboarding, even if there is no snow, you can just skateboard on the road, something like a place where you can do this. So that's the difference between snowboard and skateboard. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and last number 6.
Surf.
Surf. So this is very different from the rest of the sports that we talk about. Because surf, you can do this at the beach. You can do this in the water. Like this. This is surfing. This is very fun, I guess, but I don't know how to do this. This is surfing. You can do this at the beach. And also at the beach where there are big waves. Look at that. So you can do this at the beach where there are big waves, because if the beach doesn't have big waves, I think it will be hard for you to surf. So you should also choose the kind of beach or oceans which has big waves. So this is surfing, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Now, let's review the words before we can proceed with our activities. Okay, wait for a while. So let's go back for number to number 1. What is number 1 again? I think you will be very confused when we're going to do our activities because they're just almost the same. But let's just try harder. What is number 1 again?
Ski.
Okay, number 2,
Snowboard.
3,
Ice skate.
4,
Inline skate.
5,
Skateboard.
6.
Surf.
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 Yes, surf. Okay, I'm going to try hiding them, okay? Let's see if you remember. Number 1.
Ski.
2.
I board.
Something like a board. There is board.
Snowboard.
Yes, snowboard. 3. Look at the
Ice skate.
pictures also. Huh?
Ice skate.
Okay, ice skate. Number 4.
Inline skate.
Yes, inline skate. Very good. 5.
Skateboard.
Okay, and last, number 6.
Surf.
Okay, good job. Now let's proceed with our first activity. Okay, so you're just going to say this one. Okay, you can either use he's good, she's good at skiing, or you can also say he isn't good at skiing or she isn't good at skiing. It depends on you. Okay? I'll just let you. What kind of sentence you're going to use? Either positive sentence or negative sentence. For negative sentence, it means there is the word not. This is the negative sentence because there is the word not. But when we say a positive sentence, you cannot see the word not. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try. You can use the word inside the box here. Okay, let's try number 1. What will you use? She's. Here, you can see it. What do you think? She's good or she isn't good?
She good at skiing.
Okay, she's good at skiing. Number 2.
He
Negative.
good at snowboarding.
Again,
He good at snowboarding.
negative. He isn't. Try negative. Try it negative.
He
Yeah. Go. He's good
good
at
at snowboarding.
snowboarding. Number 3. Let's just finish this one, Ngok. Number 3.
She isn't good at ice skate.
Okay, she isn't good at. What's your answer? She isn't good at.
She isn't good at ice skating.
Okay, ice skating. Okay, number 4.
He isn't good at
He. Okay, he isn't good at
inline skating.
inline Skating. Okay, very good. Next, number 5.
She good at
She's
skate
good at
good at skateboarding.
skateboarding. Very good. And last, number 6.
He mm, isn't good at surfing.
He isn't good at
Surfing.
surfing. Okay, let me see. Oh, yeah, that's right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good, Ngok. So in this activity, you got 6/6 again. You perfect it. Okay, so Ngok, I think that's it for tonight. We are done with our lesson. So thank you so much for your time, Ngok, and thank you for doing good. Thank you for doing great. Goodbye and see you again on Saturday. Bye-bye. Thank you. Please study your lesson, okay? Study.
Yeah.